Welcome to the groundbreaking of the largest building that will be built at Mesa College and in the San Diego Community College District, and that will be for our math and science programs. We're very excited that you're here this morning. What I'd first like to do is introduce some of our friends here that are from our district office.
Well, thank you. Thank you all for coming. This is terrific. It seems like about every month I'm coming to Mesa College either to dedicate a new building or start a groundbreaking or whatever, but this is going to be fantastic. It's fantastic for the campus and to see the entrance to the campus and so forth. It's really something. There was a trustee that had is no longer a trustee, and he moved away and come back, and he walked on campus. I said, just take a look. And he literally called me. He almost started crying. He said, oh, we wanted to do this so much, and here it is.
So now it's appropriate that the building that is the largest and most costly is the building that has the most guaranteed pathway for our students, not only to university transfer, but also to the most lucrative jobs and the most abundant jobs there will be. What really is moving to me is this. The faculty and I'm just going to talk about the faculty in math science at Mesa College, are the top in their field. They hold advanced degrees. Many of them have been involved in research, but to date, their facilities have not matched their level of expertise and excellence. So for the first time ever in our district, we will finally give you the partner that you've always deserved and needed, and that is a facility that matches your excellence.
Some of you may know that I spent over half of my time in laboratories and math classes as an undergraduate and a graduate student, and so I have a particular affinity to what's going to be available here. I tell everybody about this particular building. It's befitting of any four-year institution, and it's a real gem for us as a community college district, and it's something we should all be very proud of. It's also the most technically complex of all the buildings that we're going to construct here as part of our bond program, and we've got a pretty talented team that's been responsible for making all that happen.
The School of Math and Natural Sciences began planning for this new facility actually over 8 years ago. We formed a large group of cross-section of different people from our different departments and analyzed the existing needs and what the future held.
We had come into the Project Kaleidoscope that weekend, it was only a weekend, talking about how many labs and how many classrooms and how many sinks do we need in a biology lab, but we left talking about how do we dissolve the boundaries between our people and our disciplines, and how do we increase serendipitous learning, and that made a huge difference. So we went into North Carolina thinking about numbers and how many's and where to put things, but basically the body of the building. But we left thinking about her soul. And so we brought those ideas back to the rest of our committee, and we recruited them into our cult, and they joined willingly. And before you knew it, we had an 8-point vision statement, which we have posted on the wall over there, and that reflected how we were going to accomplish having those students be who we wanted them to be. Because I think what we're going to have in a couple years is a building that, as the first statement says, shows that science and math education is vital, valued, and contemporary at Mesa College.
Our school will continue its tradition of excellence by not only offering the best faculty and staff, but also the best facilities, all thanks to Prop SNN. The groundbreaking of this math and science building is monumental for the students of Mesa College and the community. Over 75% of the students take a math or science course during their time here at Mesa, and each and every one of these students will benefit from the cutting-edge technology that these facilities will offer once completed.
This building, I may not be here for using it, but it means a lot to me personally because I think it's very encouraging to work in a new building that has like advanced facilities and equipment. A building like this is a dream to many students from other countries who don't have this advantage in their country.